G'day! Today we're making a shortbread biscuit that also has rich dark chocolate chunks and Skor pieces. Cream together the softened butter, powdered sugar and vanilla until smooth and pale. Next, add the plain flour, the chocolate, and lastly the toffee bits. Mix until just combined. Cover the dough with cling wrap and allow to rest in a refrigerator for approximately 1 hour. After resting, roll into balls, flatten slightly, and place into a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes.